The junction box sounds like a ceiling box with integral cover. These boxes were common in older homes, particularly during the Art Deco period of the 1920s and 1930s. They were designed to provide a flush-mounted junction for light fixtures and other electrical devices without the need for a separate cover plate. Features of a ceiling box with integral cover include firstly, a pancake shape with a single flat surface, secondly, no sides or knockouts, thirdly, 1 or 2 screw holes for mounting, and fourthly, a notch for a light fixture base. Regarding legality and safety, ceiling boxes with integral covers are typically not compliant with modern electrical codes, which require junction boxes with sides and knockouts for wire entry. Using a ceiling box with integral cover to support a new light fixture or ceiling fan may create safety hazards. These include firstly, reduced box capacity, leading to overcrowding and potential overheating, secondly, insufficient support for heavy fixtures, and thirdly, inability to properly secure the fixture base. There are a couple of options for updating. One is to remove and replace. The most reliable solution is to remove the old ceiling box and replace it with a modern junction box with sides and knockouts. This ensures compliance and safety. Another option is to mount a retrofit box. A retrofit box can be installed inside the existing ceiling box to provide a safe and code-compliant mounting point for the fixture. It is crucial to communicate safety concerns with the homeowner and provide professional recommendations. Explain the code violations and potential hazards associated with using the existing boxes and offer solutions to bring the electrical system up to date.